Wow, we just received an amazing 5-star review from one of our new happy customers. They were so excited about our great customer service, they went online and left this fantastic review. Here's what they had to say. And here's what one customer wrote about their experience with our staff. We believe that reviews like this are a great testament to our commitment of quality. Our team loves to share this positive feedback with the world, so you can feel confident that you're turning to the right company for your needs. 5-star reviews are great, but our goal is to keep earning those reviews. Let us prove to you why we deserve your 5-star reviews. We appreciate you stopping by and watching our video. We're happy to answer any questions you might have. We are only one call away from serving you.